morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see the look of this Aristocrat Cruiser-II 55 centimeters 360 degrees trolley luggage bag. So just check this telescopic handle, which is looking sturdy, in the sense decent quality and easy to handle when you move on this trolley. Yeah, and this also mentioned that it got 10 zipper, which is a big zipper which looks durable only, and this comes with 3-digit lock system. And yeah, see, this is the zip and it is mentioned like 10 zipper. Yeah, you can see the 10 zipper, the long one, and this is the 3 digits. Initially it would be 000. Let me try and open this, and this looks handy. If you are a frequent traveler, this would be a good choice from the VIP Aristocrat. And the color is also looking decent. Anyway, I'll be checking the details of this trolley bag, if it may be available on the online. Here, if in the offline store it is a combo offer, means 55, 65 and 75, and 3 comes with a combo. You can purchase it with 3 pack. Let me check in the online for the further details. If it is available, let me check. Yeah, see here, I just wanted to check the online availability of this product as of now. As of today, you need to, while I am recording this video, this is not available, currently unavailable on Amazon. And I checked the exactly on this one also, on Flipkart also, and I couldn't find here also. But on Amazon there were details about this, and as I said, as I mentioned, this is of 1.5 kg. When I lifted with my hands, with the hands-on experience, this Aristocrat Cruiser-II trolley bag felt lightweight only. As they mentioned, lightweight luggage, it felt lightweight, and due to this 8 wheels, yeah, this 8 wheels, the 360-degree rotation, as it is mentioned here, 360. I felt 360-degree rotation is very smooth. I didn't show you on the video, but I just tried to pull this trolley bag by just keeping it on the ground, and it felt very good and durable construction. And coming to the material, I felt medium, not that heavy or hard. I felt the material as medium strength, you can say medium hard, and stylish design. Yes, the looks wise and the color also, when I took this to my hand, it looked very premium and stylish design. A spacious interior. I didn't open the interior. Yeah, telescopic handle. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, this hand is also looking comfortable, just to drag this. Yeah, there are other details. If possible, I'll try to attach this in the view products, but anyway, it is not available here right now. Maybe you need to check, if you want to check the details of this Aristocrat Cruiser-II 55 360 degree Strolley luggage Pista Green bag. And actually on the offline section, it is a combo of 3 55 centimeters and 65 and the 75, and here this is 55. Okay, 55 centimeters. Okay, yeah. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.